viewers, welcome to our channel Jeerapeppers. I am Bhagyalakshmi. Today I am going to show you how to make oats peanut protein balls. Before we get into the process, let us have a look at the ingredients used in this process. I have taken 250 grams of oats, 250 grams of peanuts, 250 grams of jaggery, 150 grams of ghee, 15 grams of almonds, 25 grams of cashews, 20 grams of raisins and 10 grams of cardamom. If you like more sweet, you can increase the quantity of jaggery, and if you don't want to use much ghee, then percentage of peanuts can be increased. I have taken all perfect measurements by using my kitchen scale. Link for this kitchen scale is given in the description. Let us start the process. Fry the oats till a slight change noticed in its color. Then transfer it into another bowl and let it cool down to room temperature. In the same pan, fry peanuts till skin begins to peel off. Transfer this also to the same bowl and let it cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, grind oats and peanuts along with jaggery and cardamom into fine powder. Now add the ghee into the pan and start frying the almonds, cashews and raisins until they turn into golden brown color. Now add the grounded powder into this pan and mix them well. Once everything is evenly mixed, you can start molding it into balls. Tasty oat peanut protein balls are ready to eat.